लोकल से ग्लोबल हो गया। और ये सब आपने किया है। अपने दिल में भारत को बसाकर रखने वाले हर भारतीय ने ये किया है। साथियों, यहां आप इतनी दूर दूर से आए हैं। कुछ पुराने चेहरे हैं, कुछ नए चेहरे हैं। आपका यह प्यार, ये मेरा बहुत बड़ा सौभाग्य है। मुझे वो दिन याद आते हैं जब मैं पीएम भी नहीं था, सीएम भी नहीं था, नेता भी नहीं था। उस समय एक जिज्ञासु के तौर पर यहां आप सबके बीच आया करता था। इस धरती को देखना, इसे समझना, मन में कितने ही सवाल लेकर के आता था। जब मैं किसी पद पर नहीं था, उससे पहले भी मैं अमेरिका के करीब करीब 29 स्टेट्स में दौरा कर चुका था। उसके बाद जब मैं सीएम बना तो टेक्नोलॉजी के माध्यम से आपके साथ जुड़ने का सिलसिला जारी रहा। पीएम रहते हुए मैंने आपसे अपार स्नेह पाया है, अपनत्व पाया है। 2014 में मेडिसन स्क्वायर, 2015 में सैन होसे, 2019 में ह्यूस्टन, 2023 में वाशिंगटन और अब 2024 में न्यूयॉर्क। और आप लोग हर बार पिछला रिकॉर्ड तोड़ देते हैं। साथियों, मैं हमेशा से आपके सामर्थ्य को, भारतीय डायस्पोरा के सामर्थ्य को समझता रहा हूं। जब मेरे पास कोई सरकारी पद नहीं था, तब भी समझता था और आज भी समझता हूं। आप सब मेरे लिए हमेशा से भारत के सबसे मजबूत ब्रांड एम्बेसडर रहे हैं। और इसलिए मैं आप सबको राष्ट्रदूत कहता हूं। आपने अमेरिका को भारत से और भारत को अमेरिका से कनेक्ट किया है। आपका स्किल, आपका टैलेंट, आपका कमिटमेंट, इसका कोई मुकाबला नहीं है। आप 7 समंदर पार भले आए गए हैं, लेकिन कोई समंदर इतना गहरा नहीं जो दिल की गहराइयों में बसे हिंदुस्तान को आपसे दूर कर सके।
Prime Minister Modi addressing a packed audience at the Nassau Coliseum in New York, and of course he's being received with loud cheers from the entire audience. Chants of Modi, Modi resonating throughout that stadium. Some 15,000 in attendance, and of course those cheers are loud and they are being heard all over. At this point, of course, the Prime Minister of India talking about his earlier visits to the US from 2014, Madison Square Garden, 2015, San Jose, 2019, Houston, 2023, Washington, and of course this current visit where he is now addressing the Indian diaspora in New York. And it has been a wait. Everyone has been eagerly waiting for the Indian Prime Minister to come and address the Indian diaspora event, which has become customary. For every time Prime Minister Modi steps out of the country, there is always an Indian diaspora event where he receives a rock star welcome and a rock star reception, referred to as the boss by the Australian Prime Minister. And each event of this kind, it only goes to show the kind of love and support he receives wherever he is going in different parts of the world. As of now, of course, he's in the US, where the support and love he's receiving is evident from the way the crowd is responding to everything that he says. All right, reporting live from outside the Nassau Coliseum, who's right there at the event where the Indian Prime Minister is addressing the Indian diaspora. We're being joined by Susan Tehrani. Susan's been there. He's been getting us the latest from the Nassau Coliseum ever since the crowds were gathering, and now she's obviously telling us what is happening outside. Susan, tell us where you're positioned at this moment, and could you hear those Modi Modi chants, because thousands were chanting those in unison?
I could, because we're outside here, outside of the venue where Prime Minister Modi is speaking at currently, and there is a crowd behind me. I'm going to show them to you. They don't have tickets, but they were waiting and watching the Prime Minister from the grass here on that screen that you see right over there. And then, through some miracle, it seems the way that they were running to the gates, it appears that they now will be allowed into the venue. And so one by one, they are being searched, security checked, and they're going to be able to go inside. They were waiting here outside of the venue for maybe an hour and a half. And so, it's really nice and inspiring to know that they get to go inside of the venue. I'm not sure how many of them, but they were also very happy to watch the Prime Minister sitting on the grass outside here as well. More are coming, actually. As you can see, it's a very excited crowd inside, and outside there is still more people coming to watch and hear and listen to the Prime Minister.
Susan, thank you for getting us the latest. Of course, all the action is now shifted inside. And of course, to connect with us, you'll have to wait outside. But thank you so much for telling us what's happening, because people are still pouring in, while there are over somewhere close to 15,000 people. That's the estimate that we've got till now, until an official figure is released, who are already inside. And of course, all of them listening in to Prime Minister Modi as he speaks and addresses everyone. This time, of course, at the Nassau Coliseum in New York.